Hi, I'm Devrania, and this is the Phoenix TV Classroom Minute. It's all about youth and education news in Phoenix. Your Classroom Minute starts now. Riders waiting for the bus are getting more shade as the Phoenix Public Transit Department continues to install bus stop shelters all over the city. Some of these new bus shelters were designed by students from Arizona State University's Herberger Institute for Design and the Arts. Currently, there are 4,000 bus stops in the city of Phoenix, and thanks to the voter-approved Transportation 2050 plan, the Public Transit Department is installing more bus shelters and even replacing older ones. This year marks the 5-year anniversary of the T2050 plan, and more than 300 new bus shelter structures have been installed. Visit the Phoenix Newsroom to check out more T2050 accomplishments and its 5-year celebration. City of Phoenix pools may be a great option to cool off this summer with free swim lessons for youth ages 3 to 12 and open swim hours for all ages and abilities. Due to COVID-19 protocols, capacity at the pools has been modified this summer, and customers will need to reserve a time to participate in Open Swim. Open Swim will be available in 3 90-minute time blocks each day, and reservations can be made up to 3 days in advance, each Monday and Thursday throughout the season. The complete swim lesson schedule and instructions on how to register is available online. For more education news, keep watching Phoenix TV Classroom. I'm Devrania, and that's your Classroom Minute.